Hey everyone, it's Jenny from the Edison Public Library, and today we are going to be painting some fall trees. It's going to be a super fun craft, so let's get started. To begin, what you're going to need is a set of googly eyes, a pair of scissors, some orange felt. If you don't have orange felt, you can use orange construction paper. You're going to need some glue. You can either use Elmer's glue or you can use hot glue. You're going to need a black Sharpie marker and you're going to need some orange paint. Plus, you will need 9 popsicle sticks. So to get started, what we're going to do is begin with our popsicle sticks. One of our popsicle sticks we're going to put to the side for now. And then we're going to line 8 up all next to each other. So it looks like almost like a little fence. Then with our additional popsicle stick, we are going to glue the back down to the front on a diagonal angle. I know that sounds like a lot of steps right there, but we are just gonna put some glue down. And we're gonna put this down on a diagonal angle towards the top. If you feel like your popsicle sticks needs a little bit more security, you can turn over and glue the rest together from the back. So while this is drying, what we're going to do now is paint our popsicles at the top, the hat of our scarecrow. I'm painting it orange. I wanted to have an orange hat. Now that the top portion, the diagonal portion is painted, we are going to paint all up here orange. So whatever is above the diagonal popsicle is going to be painted orange as well. Okay. So now that we have the top already completed, the hat, we are now going to glue our googly eyes onto our scarecrow. I chose to use a little bit of a larger googly eye, but if you only have smaller ones or if you just want to draw your eyes on, you can feel free to do that. So I'm just going to put some glue on the back of my googly eyes. For our next step, we're gonna take our felt and we are gonna draw out a nose for our scarecrow. So I don't want my nose to be too large, but I'm going to make it into a triangle. So I trace that out with my marker so I know where it is and just cut it out. And now I am going to glue it with the pointed side up to the top. It does not have to be perfect. Okay, now that I have the nose on, my last step is going to be drawing the mouth on my scarecrow. So I want him to have a nice smile. So I'm gonna make it nice and wide and long. And then most scarecrows have lines on their mouth. So we're gonna just put the lines on his mouth or her mouth. And that's it. That's how you make a scarecrow stick figure out of popsicle sticks. And this is super cute. You can put it on your table if you have a fall table and use it as like a place setting or like just as decoration throughout your house. I hope you guys all enjoyed our craft today and hope to see you all soon. Bye.